In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira ticket. First, let's talk quickly about what a Jira ticket actually is. In Jira, a ticket is just a way of tracking a piece of work, a bug, a task, a story, or anything your team needs to follow from start to finish. Creating a clear, well-structured ticket makes it easier for your teammates to understand what needs to be done and how to prioritize it. To get started, open your Jira workspace in your browser and sign in with your usual account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Jira home screen or dashboard. From here, look for the Create button, usually at the top of the page. Click that, and a new ticket window will pop up. The first thing you'll choose is the project where this ticket should live. Use the project drop-down and select the correct project so the work appears on the right board and is visible to the right team. Next, select the issue type. This might be a bug, a task, a story, or something custom, depending on how your Jira is set up. Pick the type that best matches the work. For example, use bug for something that's broken, and task for a straightforward piece of work. Now, add a clear summary. Think of this as the title of your ticket. It should be short, but very descriptive, so someone scanning a list can quickly understand what it's about. After that, move to the description field. Here, you want to explain the issue or task in more detail. For a bug, describe what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and the steps someone can follow to reproduce the problem. For a task, explain the goal, any requirements, and what done should look like. The more specific and organized you are here, the easier it will be for whoever picks up the ticket. If your Jira setup allows it, add priority to indicate how urgent or important this ticket is. You can also link related tickets, attach screenshots or files, and assign the ticket to yourself or a teammate, depending on your team's workflow. Once everything looks good and all required fields are filled in, click Create. Jira will save your ticket and usually show a confirmation, along with a link to open it. You've now created a Jira ticket that your team can track, work on, and update through to completion.